Hi students, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. This is Venkat. Today the topic is Humor and Colorful World, that is assignment 4. Here mainly 5 questions are there. The first question is define myopia. Define myopia. So what is myopia means? It is the defect in which the people cannot see the object beyond 4 point. That is myopia. Once again, what is myopia? Myopia is a defect. The people cannot see the object beyond 4 point. That is myopia. That is question number 1. Next, question number 2. What can you do to correct myopia? So means what is the correction for myopia? So the defect of myopia corrected by concave lens. By concave lens. So by using of the biconcave lens, you have to correct it by that myopia defect. That is question number 2. Next, see the question number 3. Question number 3 is, see here, find the focal length of biconcave lens that is used to correct myopia. So means you have to find what is the focal length of eye lens, concave lens you have to using correcting of myopia. See here, in the myopia, the object is infinity. The object is infinity. That's why you have to take that object distance. Object distance you have to take infinity. So here u is equal to minus infinity. Due to sign convention, the object is left side of the lens. That's why u is taken as infinity. And here the image distance. The image distance you have to take represent letter v is equal to minus the distance. How much distance is there? You have to take minus d. That is image distance. Then you want to find what is the focal length. What is focal length? So you know very well lens formula. What is the lens formula? Lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now substitute the values in the lens formula. Now 1 by f is equal to v value minus d, means 1 by minus d minus 1 by u value is infinity. You have to substitute the infinity value. Now 1 by f is equal to 1 by minus d. Here 1 by infinity value is 0. That's why minus 0. Now take the reciprocals. Then what happened here? Focal length f is equal to minus d. So this is the focal length of concave lens. Means the image and focal length almost same. Here image distance is d and focal length also d only. So okay, this is the question number 3. Next, see here. Next, see question number 4. How do you correct the eye defect myopia? How do you correct the eye defect myopia? See here, actually, who are the myopia defect? Here, the object is, this is a 4 point. So the people who have the myopia defect, they can see the object up to 4 point. Up to 4 point. Then the image is formed on the retina. Means that the object is between 4 point and least distance of distance vision, the people they can see the object very clearly. In case the object is beyond 4 point, the people can't see the object, and also the image is formed between retina and focal length. Means it formed behind the retina. So when you are using the concave lens here, so when you are using the biconcave lens, here the object is beyond 4 point, that object is shifted between 4 point and the least distance. This object is image is act like a object. So when the object is between 4 point and the least distance, then automatically the image is formed on retina. So when the image is formed on retina, the people they can see the object very clearly. So that like we have to correct that myopia defect by using of biconcave lens. So this is question number 4. Now let's see here question number 5. The question is, the far point of myopia is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? See here, the far point in the myopia, you should take the object distance. You can take the object distance. So that is u is taken as infinity. U is taken as infinity. Why? Because the object is very far point from the lens. Next to the myopia is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. Means they are given that image distance, that is V is equal to minus 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. So then find what is the nature and what is the focal length. See, first you have to find the focal length. F is equal to question mark. You know very well what is the lens formula. The lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now substitute these values in the formula. So 1 by v value is minus 80 centimeter, minus 80 centimeter, minus 1 by e infinity. So 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 80 centimeter. Here 1 by infinity value is 0. So that's what we have to get the focal length. F is equal to minus 80 centimeter. This is focal length. Next they are asking that what is the power of lens. You know very well what is the power of lens formula. P is equal to 100 by f in centimeter. So that's what we have to take the power of lens formula. P is equal to 100 by f. Here f value you know very well, that is 100 by minus 80. Now do the cancellation here. 0 0 get cancelled. Take 2 table, 2 5s and 2 4s. So then P is equal to minus 5 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 is nothing but you have to convert to decimals. Now you are getting that minus 1.25, and also the power of lens units are diopters. So that is the power of lens in this problem. Okay, so this is the problematic question, especially in myopia. I hope you to understand these 5 questions today. Next class you are discussing one more assignment. Thank you.